In one day, we will find out if XRP will also experience a dramatic rise in value following this notable trend. Nevertheless, we will talk about a historic occurrence that will happen to XRP in this video will happen in just one day. Your current thoughts are also familiar to me. Nothing interesting will occur the next day. This is obviously clickbait. As a general rule, I think XRP is going to have a wild day, particularly on the overall chart, and I'll give you the rundown on why. I will also show you why this is important in my opinion. Let me wrap this up immediately. I wish the channel's viewers a good time. Hello there, if you're new here, you should have subscribed by the time this video is over. And if you haven't, I really hope you'll sign up for our free Discord server. You ought to be. In the following description, you'll see a link at the very top. Visit this site to join the free Discord server. You will not be disappointed. Plus, there are more than 8,500 more members. Free and useful information is abundant among the many excellent pieces of content that can be found on the internet. You guys need to pitch in. Both the page's header and the description's comment area have the link. Having stated that, this is the current state of affairs. It is currently approximately 5 o'clock in the morning. In light of the present situation, which I am writing about at the crack of dawn, it is clear that vintage coins still provide a plethora of fantastic benefits. Exciting things have happened in the past 30 days, which is not surprising. While there have been some significant developments recently, the main worry is whether the recent spike in XRP's value will be sustained or if a more severe collapse is on the horizon. Everyone is curious as to the outcome. Indeed, I did record some footage. Last night, we discussed the big picture of the XRP chart. However, I will not devote an excessive amount of time to the topic in this video. In fact, I will be discussing the factors that have led to XRP's recent rising trend in this piece. I think it's important that everyone knows this because XRP is currently in price discovery if we look at its market cap alone. I completely agree. Actually, XRP is still trying to figure out its worth, although its market capitalization is at a record high right now. Since we have not yet achieved price discovery on the main price chart, all we can do is wait for it to catch up with this. Therefore, we are eagerly anticipating that. The same pattern is playing out on XRP as well. We have reached a wick of approximately $2.90. There has been no change from 2017 to this wick. At the next monthly candle, we had reached $3.80, give or take a penny. Shall we continue in that vein? The most important thing is that everyone here thinks they have a solution to the major topic, but we won't know for sure until we see the price activity on the chart. The data, however, is strongly suggesting that we might be experiencing yet another major upsurge with respect to the forthcoming run. I predict that it will go beyond its previous high and possibly reach $4 or even higher in the enterprise discovery area. All right, how about we change the subject to this place? Wall Street Bets, a social media account with over 800,000 followers, and many others keep publishing a lot of content about XRP, and we still receive a lot of comments about it. The momentum behind XRP is substantial, and it's just going to grow from here. Consequently, XRP is still the most talked about cryptocurrency online. All right, let's take a step back and examine the big picture. In November, we will be here for a brief 5-day visit. From November 23rd to November 28th, this occurred over the course of 5 days. Even though the major breakout didn't occur until the 6th day, the preceding 5 days were crucial in preparing the price action to emerge and reparabolize. Starting on November 16th and continuing until November 21st, the exact same incident happened up until the 6th day of BAM breakout. Is this going to stay this way? It is the primary inquiry. With only one more day to go before the 6th day, December 8th, our price is hovering just below $2.50, so there's a chance we might initiate that big upward breakout. Day 9 would be the 6th on this grand scheme of things, but day 8 is being highlighted because it marks the beginning of the pump, which happens on day 5. If this candle manages to breach the $2.50 barrier, we may continue this upward trend into Monday, the beginning of the new week, and perhaps retest 272, the resistance level. It will soon be a new week. Gradual changes begin to take place. Important financial news is something else we'd like to share. The stock markets are back to their regular schedule. Recent events in the stock market have unquestionably influenced the market overall. It has been under our careful observation. The most important question today is how long this trend lasts. Are we to expect any major shifts? So far, I believe we've done an excellent job of emulating this tendency. There appears to be a consistent trend in the current chart arrangement where we are ranging horizontally compared to, say, November 23rd to maybe the 27th or perhaps the 28th, even when we reduce the time frame once. Once again, this is quite evident. The general structure of the graphs is not altered. I shall thus keep a careful eye on this. On Monday and Sunday, I will be keeping a close eye on it, as will others, including waters above. 5 days a week is your consolidation pattern. At this very second, XRP will try to make a comeback. In my opinion, XRP is currently trying to break out. That retest for $2.50 was completed. Last night at midnight, I was making the video, and I truly believe it happened in real time. It looks like it's still trying to fight back against that resistance right now. I intend to keep a careful eye on it. However, upon closer inspection, even taking into account the 6th day, actually tomorrow, we still find that. Similar to this red candle for XRP, we are essentially in the same position. Overcoming opposition is a part of it. On Sunday, I will keep an eye on the market because the major breakout occurs on the 6th day with the next candle. Sunday holds great significance. We must not overlook December 8th. On top of that, XRP has already been the subject of some very encouraging news. Actually, XRP is seeing increasing use by commercial enterprises. On top of that, it is now also shown on their financial sheet. Here we have the BC Budco. As compensation for shareholders, they said they will buy $178,000 worth XRP. This is Penny Stock, a publicly listed cannabis startup. Indeed, this is what Kahneman's wrath looked like. Great job, dude. Still, it's intriguing that they are beginning to put some of the company's total capital into XRP. As far as I was concerned, this was going to be it. We are indeed present. There has been a significant shift here. The expansion of the BCBU data is intriguing. An unnamed minor NASDAQ business may now be housing XRP in its corporate vault. As a result, Bitcoin and XRP will receive $5 million. One can even find XRP in the CEO's own portfolio. Something intriguing has come to light in relation to XRP. In my opinion, the cryptocurrency market as a whole is starting to heat up to the point where major corporations are interested in adding certain projects to their investment portfolios. This is a strategy for the future, and they see it expanding. The cryptocurrency market is just going to get bigger from here. Their general ledger and treasury accounts should contain it. Since RLUSD are catalysts, what are their prospects? And First Event has always been referenced as a catalyst. We have delayed the launch date of RLUSD from the 4th. However, it seems that nobody is bringing up the fact that the negotiations for authorization have not yet been finalized with the New York State Department of Financial Services at this time. The stablecoin's introduction is uncertain for this year. And that is the thing that is most important here. In 2025, this will most likely take place. Do we not know? But when precisely this will happen is still a mystery to us. Even though I'd prefer it if it happened before the year ends, David Schwartz has already said that it will probably happen next year. At least they are communicating with the New York State Department of Financial Services. Who knows what he might have said? I won't spill the beans. The two of them are chatting. This is part of their strategy. They have not yet parted ways with him. It is their intention to proceed. They are attempting to release this quickly. Good news. However, when we think about XRP, what ideas spring to mind? You may find the 60-minute interview here. The subject of the 60-minute interview was broached in every conversation. Everything here is based on my most recent webcast. We have some updates regarding this. The Chief Executive Officer of Ripple is joining us on 60 Minutes today to talk about cryptocurrency regulation. Also, December 8th is the official date for this. What does that even mean? Sure, I'd want to have another look at this graph, no matter how soon we go from this region.